Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun.
This will truly be a great afternoon and evening together. All the planning and preparation is done. Everyone is gathered together. This is the first day of a new and beautiful journey for the two of them, a new life together as husband and wife.
There's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause
It was good, went well, a little rainy. Got a slight breeze out of the east, and then maybe a hurricane tonight, so. But other than that, it's fine.
Mental breakdown in the middle.
Couple mental breakdowns, but all in all, I give that an A++
You
rating.
have no microphone.
Here we are.
the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.